inserted new row already here, right? So if I go to insert, you will see a new row, and I think the formula is computers minus home appliances divided by home appliances. I just put in a random formula. And again, the interesting thing is we are doing this only for the United States. This is not a template row. So this applies only to United States. And the way it refers values is us.computers minus us.home appliances. Anyway, I've entered and created the formula. Now, when I go and add a grand total to this report, see what happens, right? There is a column grand total. I want to bring it to the left. Now, 2.75 plus 1.23 is 3.99. Unfortunately, it adds up 24% and negative 44%, and it shows a negative 20%, which is not correct because this needs to have a different value. And it's basically called a formula collision. You are calculating the grand total using a formula, which is the sum of individual items. You're also calculating at a row level, and both of them collide, and you just need to reset the priorities. So you go here, and there is an option called evaluate columns before rows. What it does is Inforiver waits till the column grand total is calculated, and then it starts applying the formula for all the rows that we have inserted. So once you do this, it's going to do 3.99 minus 4.41 divided by, I believe, 3.99, and thus you get the correct value, right?